How to redeem GameStop gift card online. For this, you have to open a browser and then search for GameStop gift card. Then tap on the first suggestion shown and make sure it is from the official page itself. Make sure to log in to your GameStop. For that, you can tap on the profile icon or a person icon at the top if you have not logged in yet. Once you are logged in, tap on Digital Store and wait for the suggestions. You can search for it or just tap on Add to Cart on the suggested items. Then wait for it to load. Tap on View Cart and check out. Then once you are in this page, at the very bottom you will see the checkout option. Tap on Checkout. Then wait for it to load. In here, you have to go ahead and enter your credit card credentials and also the information about you. At the bottom, you will see Add Gift Card or Promo Code. Simply tap on it. Then you have to scratch off the metallic cover in your gift card and add the gift card or trade-in number. You will also find the PIN at the back of your gift card. So make sure to go ahead and enter it right here. Then all you have to do is tap on that apply bubble right there. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your GameStop gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.